Take control of session management with Jomablue, designed to intelligently manage attendee traffic flow and boost engagement at every event, whether it's workshops, keynotes, or breakouts. Manage check-ins, control attendee flows, and capture live insights effortlessly. On-site 5G-enabled devices come pre-configured. No setup, no stress, just smooth operations for staff and attendees alike. Check-in is instant, just a tap of a smart badge. Devices sync live with your agenda, delivering real-time room counts and measuring engagement with session content. Tap an attendee's badge and automatically send personalized content, slides, white papers, or surveys sent via SMS or email. Simplify post-event reporting with inferred session attendance for back-to-back breakouts. No guesswork or manual entries. Data-driven results, automated from start to finish. Elevate every session. Deliver real impact with Jomablue Session Management.